Hey everybody, Shu here. I'm not invisible, I'm just behind the camera here. Got a new toy. April and I are prepping for Mount Katahdin in our main trip, so we figure we'd pick up this little Peak 1 made by Coleman. It's supposed to be 10,000 BTUs. A buddy of mine has one of these, and he showed it to us before. Got a little instruction manual thing in there. Oh, it even comes with... It can produce carbon monoxide, which if you don't know it, it can kill you. I'll just keep that on there for right now. But this is it. It's pretty cool. There we go. Oh, it even stops where it's supposed to. They're numbered 1, 2, 3. It's a little raining right now, but it don't matter. Let's give this thing a try. It attaches onto the Primus power gas. Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like there's a flame, but let's give it a try. Not sure. Whoop, yeah, there's a flame. Let's see what this thing can do. That's that's full power with a breeze, and it lights up a piece of paper fast. So yeah, we're going to give this thing a try. You can actually feel the heat coming off of this little thing. We're going to give it a try on our next camping adventure, so stay tuned. We'll have a little video of us cooking something on this. So, until next time.